Okay, so we've got to our day 2 spot. This is called the I-80 Lakeside and Campground. This is right off of I-80 in North Platte, Nebraska. So that's where we're at. It's kind of neat. I'll kind of walk through the park here, show you, take you down here by the lake. I just, once I got the trailer kind of set up for the night, I hurried up and grabbed my fishing pole, went down there and fished just a little bit. Ended up catching 3 bass, so it's catch and release, but it was fun. So yeah, let me swap around here, and you can see what that looks like. So it is all gravel, base on the driveways and on the pad sites for the RV, but it's really not bad out here. We arrived, it was I think 69 degrees when we got here, and so it's going to be a fairly cool night tonight. Let's see, so kind of see the lake. This is a private lake, so being that we were camping, we did not need a fishing license, and it was just catch and release only, so we were able to I was able to get out there and do a little fishing. But across the lake over there, as you can see, the trucks pass, I think. That is I-80, so it is right off of the interstate. But even at that, it's not real loud back here, so you don't really hear a lot of the road noise too bad. And then if you look there, it's a lot of the campsites. More of the fishing area. Our day today was pretty uneventful, thankfully. You know, when you're coming across Kansas on 135 and then it switches over to 81, just heading north to intersect into I-80, it's pretty well, once you've seen about 10 minutes of it, you've seen hours of it. You know, the winds were not too bad. We were, but I did lose quite a bit of mileage, you know, with a, you know, west-northwest wind. So I was averaging about, you know, 10 and a half, 11. Ended up knocking me down to about 8 miles a gallon. So definitely a lot windier once you got into Kansas and on up into Nebraska. Once we started heading west, it improved a little bit, but not much. So, you know, I'm smelling everybody. Everybody's got fires going, cooking. It's really making me hungry. So I think I'm gonna head back to the camper and see what we're gonna have for supper. So, all right, well, day 3 is tomorrow. We're gonna try to get an early start, and we're gonna head out to Custer and hopefully make that in about 6 hours, is what I'm hoping for. But we'll just see what the day brings. Hopefully it'll be another uneventful day, no issues, and hopefully some good weather. All right, well, y'all have a good night.